from Gaze and Precious and yours truly, Martin Rivera. We wanted to greet you a very happy birthday. Of course, your man, Pedro, wants me to tell you he loves you very, very much. You are a great mom, an amazing mom from what I'm told. And your favorite song is Be My Lady. Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly, I must let you know that it's your birthday. Happy birthday, our dear Rossi. So please, be my lady. Happy birthday. God bless.
Thank you very much to Mr. Roberto Recaña. And last but not the least, may magkukusa tayo sa palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. And once again, a happy birthday, Madam Rossi Parafina Marali. Alam ko kayo mahiling magkape. Kaya, tasa yung binigay ko sa iyo. Happy birthday, wala na akong masabi. Thank you. Okay.
Happy birthday. Yung ano ko sa iyo, na hindi ka naman naka-open, hindi ka nag-rest. Happy birthday, Madam.
Thank you very much, Madam. And next.
Isa pa. Happy more birthdays to have. More blessings and God, the health, the energy.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Very short, but meaningful. Alright, and thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Ate Rosie. Thank you for inviting. Ayun lang po. Sige po, thank you very much, Madam. Thank you po.
Alam ko mapupuno ko lagi ng laman yan. At birthday na lang din. At sana masaraming birthday para natin sa'yo. Thank you very much, Madam. Ano kayo mapupuno na lang ng laman?
Happy birthday and I love you.
Ay, ang haba. Thank you so much, sir. Keith Castillo. Yan, wala po ba tayong mga kamay dyan? Yan. Maganda po talaga yung may hinyawan. Para mas masaya po ang ating selebrasyon. Sige po, lahat po nang tatawagin natin na sa 6Y, dito lang po sa gilid. Tig-tatlo. Tatlo po dito at tatlo sa kabila. Alright, sir. Wish niyo po para sa ating may kaarawan.
Tita, happy birthday. Wish ay happiness, good health.
Thank you very much. Hihingan po namin kayo ng kahit maikling wish lamang po para kay Madam Rossi. Sige po. Kahit po happy birthday lang. Take care. More birthdays to come.
Birthday one kasi yun lang.
Okay, sir. Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Ate Rosie.
Ang haba po ng mga message nila, nakakaiyak. Po sa part na ito yung masisipag pumalakpak. Mamaya po may prize po kung saan po yung table na may pinakamalakas pumalakpak. You will take home a house and lot and a brand new car. Okay, sir.
Happy birthday. Welcome to the club. Many more birthday.
Thank you very much, sir. Medyo naghaba-haba naman ang konti yung message ni sir. Hindi happy birthday lang. Thank you very much, sir. And last but not the least, we have a Mr. Ronald Cibulo. Alright. Ayan, sir. Ganyan yung mga pinapalakpakan ng malakas talaga. Isa pa po, Mr. Ronald Sibulo! Ayan. Sir, medyo haba-habaan naman natin yung mensahe natin para kay Madam.
Sige. Hiyang happy birthday at sana maraming pang birthday at salamat sa invite. Mahaba na yun.
Mahaba na po pala. Maraming salamat po. And this time, good health, syempre. I stay pretty palagi kahit ganito na ang edad mo, 60. Pero maganda ka pa rin kahit 60, hindi nagbabago. More success sa iyong business, ating mga business. I love you very much. Dito kami palagi, mas lagi sa'yo. Okay, thank you very much, Madam Rowena Kyoge. Tama si Madam Do, hindi mukhang 60 si Madam Rosie. Very pretty. Ayan. Madam, alam mo bang ikaw'y dual citizen na? Filipino citizen and
Senior.
alam niyo na po yun. Hindi ko na po babanggit. Happy birthday, Ate Rosie. Ayan. Isa pa rin mahabang mensahe, Madam. Is this? Okay, Madam?
Magandang gabi. Hello, sis. Hindi ka lang certified member na talaga sa grupo natin dahil pare-pareho na tayong 60s. Diba? So, hindi nakakaalam, sister na kami ngayon. Happy birthday. Sana maraming pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. At habang buhay tayo magkakasama. I love you.
Oh, thank you very much, Madam. Sila pala ay parehas ng 60. Ayan. Madam Cynthia Recanya.
Happy birthday, Ate Hia. Ikaw naman ay laging happy sa piling ng iyong mga anak. At syempre, dumating ka na sa edad na dalaga ka na. Pwede na ba ulit magkasama si Ate Hia? Pwede na ta.
Bahala siya.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Alright, and thank you very much po. This time, let us all welcome Madam Juvie Gonzalez.
Hello, Sister Rosie. Pare-pare sa tayong senior. Ang ibibigay ko sa iyo, ito ay lagayan ng mga Maria mong tinubo para sa paglayas natin. Para sa mga paggala-gala natin. Okay, happy birthday. More birthdays ko.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam Juvie Gonzalez. Palakpakan po natin ang Madam Josie Mapula.
Sister Rosie, happy birthday. Stay beautiful. Good health. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
So, meron akong kodigo. Sorry na. So, as you celebrate your 60th birthday, I want to take this moment to express my deepest love and gratitude for the incredible person that you are. You are the most beautiful senior citizen I have ever seen. Agree ba kayo? Yes! At least for me and my sister, di ba? And of course, in the eyes of Papa for sure, if andito pa siya. And it's really hard to put words into in how lucky we are na ikaw ang mother namin. I just summarize it into 6 things I learned and I got from you. So number 1, after being a mom myself, sorry na medyo mahaba to I realized being a mother has no expiration date and no age limit. Even though I'm already 30 plus, I won't mention the exact age, and meron na akong family na sarili ko, you always care for us and think about our future. Number 2, I also na-realize, sa'yo ko pala nakuha yung pagiging impatient in a positive and negative way. Whenever we want things to happen, we always find ways to make it happen by hook or by crook, urgently. Kaya naman, huwag ka na magtaka if me and my sister, Precious, are also impatient. We both always are ready to take charge and get things done. Agree ka ba? Oo. Agree naman siya. Number 3, my not so straight hair. Number 4, my big thighs. Yun yung mga namana ko kay mama. Tsaka yung legs ko. And of course, my pretty looks, di ba? Agree ba kayo? Kamukha ko siya. Di ba kamukha ko daw siya? Marami nagsabi kanina. Tayo daw yung magkamukha. Sorry, sister. Sorry, sis. So, bawal naman kasi birthday naman ni mama to. And ikikwento ko lang, medyo funny to. One time, si Gcash nag-ask siya ng authentication, face authentication. And alam mo yun, nung tinry ko, wala kasi si mama eh. Meron yata siyang lakad. Tinry kong ilagay yung face ko and guess what? Na-open ko yung Gcash ng account niya. So, ibig sabihin, magkamukha talaga kami. And last but not the least, being business-minded. After working for 7 years in Dubai, na-realize ko, hindi mo pala kailangan maging OFW para yumaman. Kailangan maging negosyante ka. And I'm glad I moved here kasi I'm learning a lot from you. Malayo pa, pero malayo na. And it's all because of your teachings with me and my sister. May this milestone birthday be filled with laughter, joy, and beautiful memories, reminding you of just how special you are to all of us. Here's to many years of love, happiness, and unforgettable moments. Sana mas makapag-travel pa tayo this year. Happy 60th birthday, Ma. You are loved, appreciated, and celebrated today and always. I love you so much. Okay, thank you very much.
Ana? Presenta na kasi ako eh. Matanda na.
Parang 60 lang.
Ako dahil ako'y nasasayahan. Natutuwa ako kasi birthday ng anak ko. Mahal ko ang aking mga anak. Lahat sila mahal ko. Ang dami kasi nila eh. Kaya lahat mahal ko sila eh. Ang masasabi ko lang, ang mga anak ko ay magpakabuti. Dahil ako'y matanda na. Ang gusto ko ay lahat sila ay umigi ang pamumuhay. Yan ang aking ipinagdarasal sa Panginoon na sila ay magkaroon ng magandang hanap buhay. Sige, ayaw ko na. Thank you.
Okay,
Talia and Gala and Pataray sister and Annie and Tada and Martina family. Ingat kayo dyan.
Hello tita, happy birthday! Sayang hindi naman ako nakaabot sa pasyala mong pa-birthday party. Pero siguro yung handa naman abot, di ba? Kaya balutin mo ako. Balutan mo ako. Charot! Anyway, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo is good health na lang kasi nasa iyo naman ang lahat, hindi ba? Di ba? Tsaka, sana makapag-travel ulit tayo. See you next week. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Lia. More blessings to you and happy birthday, 60 years.
Hey, why crying? Happy birthday po! birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mati. Sayang wala ako dyan, pero uwi ko, gawa tayo mas maraming din muli. Love you, we miss you. Thank you. Say hi, Tita. Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. Hi, po. Hi, po. Okay na. Tita, happy birthday. Blessed 60th birthday po. And this is our prayer. Lord bless you and keep you. May His face shine upon you. Be gracious to you. Lord bless you. Thank you, Lord, you Hi, Sis Rosie. Basta lang, sorry, hindi ako naka-ako sa birthday mo. Pati na ako sa'yo. Happy birthday. Wala na ako masabi sa'yo kasi lahat na ng mga pangarap niya na sa'yo na hindi mo swerte mo. Miss ko lang nasa birthday mo ang masaya at nagkaroon ka ng kaarawan, bigyan ka lang pinigyan ng kalusugan, naging masaya ang inyong pamilya, ang sa buhay, at meron ka isang gustong gusto lang sana makuha mo yung makamit. Salamat ako dahil isa ako sa naging kaibigan mo. Salamat. Ako lang ang silang ko dahil ang pagkakaibigan natin yung tayo ay magkakaisa, nakasunod tayo, sa lahat ng bagay ay tayo nagkakaisa. Ngayon siguro ka na. Alam mo, nakatuwa mo yung siguro kasi mabilis ka. Isa pa, walang galing sila. Yun lang. Happy birthday again. Miss ko na kayo. I love you all. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye. See you next year.
Card ko po muna bago natin siya i-play. Ito po ay isa sa mga paborito ni Madam Rosie. He is one of the most promising singers in the Philippines, the concert king of the Philippines, Mr. Martin Rivera.
Hey everybody, it's Martin Rivera with a very special shout out for you, Rosie, from Gaze and Precious, and yours truly, Martin Rivera. We wanted to greet you a very happy birthday. Of course, your man, Pedro, wants me to tell you he loves you very, very much. You are a great mom, an amazing mom, from what I'm told. And your favorite song is Be My Lady, Come to Me and Take My Hand, and Be My Lady. Truly, I must let you know that it's your birthday. Happy birthday, our dear Rosie. So
please be my lady. Happy birthday. God bless.
Okay, and there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Martin Rivera. Grabe, hinandugan pa si Madam. Okay, isang malakas na palakpakan naman po ng may kasamang hiyawan. Come on! Alright. Sige po, makikihatid na po muna ulit si Madam sa unahan. And this time, we're going to head on with the blowing and cutting of the birthday cake. Alright. Sige po, sabay-sabay kayong kumanta. Sabayin po natin ang malakas na palakpakan. Alright. Sabay-sabay po kami bibilang ng 3. And at the count of 3, mga kapamilya, mga kaibigan, mas malakas po, mas maganda. Sige po. Okay po, sabay-sabay po na 3. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, once again, happy birthday, Madam Rosie. Isang malakas na palakpakan mo po para sa ating may kaarawan. Thank you so much. And before anything else, I would also like to mention that this cake was sponsored by one of your great friends po, Madam. Sandali lang po. Po ba? Alin po ba dyan ang hahawakan ni Madam? At sabay-sabay din po tayo sa pagbilang ng 3 bago niya po hinahin. Ang alin po ba dyan ang hinahin? Yung 60 mismo. Okay po, sige. 3, 1, 2, 3, go! Hila po, Madam. Sige. Pilitin po natin. Alright. Sige po. Hilahin po natin. Hila pa. Sige po. Sige po. Parang wala naman yun. May lumabas na isang malakas na palakpakan naman po. Alright. Ayan. Puro blue bills pa lang yung nakikita natin. Ayan. Sige po. Hila pa. Sige po. Habang hindi po natatapos ng paghila si Madam, dire-diretso po yung ating palakpakan. Ayan, sige po. Palakpak lang hanggang hindi po natatapos ito. Kahit po tayo ay hanggang 2 taon pa dito ay ayos lamang po. Basta't wala pong mapapagod sa pagpalakpak. Alright, sige po, Madam. Mukhang wala rin. Hanggang dito pa po yan sa ilalim. Kaya sige po, hila lang po tayo. Alright, sige po, wala po titigil sa pagpalakpak dahil malapit na rin po tayong mag-dinner. Sige po, Madam. Ayan. Hindi pa po natatapos, mukhang mahaba-haba pa. Naku, magkano kaya ito? 1 million pa. Ayun! Alright, isang malakas na palakpakan naman po. And of course, this money cake is sponsored by her 2 lovely daughters, Madam Gaze and Precious. Ayan, isang malakas na palakpakan din po para sa ating Morales sisters. Ayan, yan po ay galing mismo sa kanila. Ayan, magkano po kaya yan? 60,000 pesos. Alright, sige po. Happy birthday.
And baby, wanna get some back. It's buried in my soul. They got it for you go. Don't you go, I can find the world. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. But the sun goes down in the bed one lay. I'll always remember us this way. Love is in the line. Oh, it's trying to run.
Mama, duwan kayo.
Mamaya. Di ka na muli kuluhapan. Wala na kami muna kanta. Ang puso ko na kumahal. Kung ako'y papagtari, ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ikaw lang ang ibigin. Magpakailanman di kita pipilitin. Sundin mo ang iyong tanggalin. Kaya ako'y bukang puso mo. Para sa akin. Control, a lady with blade. Saan mo kanta, madam?
Go naman, go!
Believe in the love, isn't it little sadness? I'll hold in my hand. Ayan, kakanta natin birthday celebrant. Ay, opo, kaya-kaya ka na.
Kaya kinakanta.
I'm in control, lady with the flag. Silent living, believing the light. If little heartaches are holding my hand, I got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. 'Cause I'm falling for into the wall, running down to you. Just another woman in love. I can't ask for. I'm out of control. Just another fool. You touch me and I breathe, and I beat her into wind. And I can't wait to hear you punching me again. With you and just another woman, you're just another woman in love.
Happy birthday to you. Bebe, anak, happy birthday to you. Ganon.
Happy birthday to you.
Ganyan mamaya hatas. Ha? Hahabaan mo ba? Kung sino yung pinakamahaba yung hininga, siya yung mananalo. Sige daw, sampol.
Happy birthday to you.
O yan, ganyan, hahabaan mo pa mamaya. Siyempre, itong mga ate to you. Sampol.
Happy birthday to you.
Ayan, happy birthday to you. Okay, bebe, ikaw naman, sampol. Bebe, hindi ako nakakain. Dito, dali. Happy birthday to you. Hala, ayaw na niya. O, sige.